Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by assembling what proves your impact: 3 5-lesson plans, matching student work and assessment data. Once done, open the required rubric and cover sheet so you align examples to criteria. This saves rework. Make sure to timestamp files and create an evidence log that links each sample to a rubric indicator. Start with a 2-week draft window. That urgency focuses choices and prevents last-minute scrambling. This first step creates a clear map for the rest of the portfolio. You now translate raw materials into aligned evidence. For each sample, annotate where objectives, differentiation, and assessment occur. These short notes show reviewers exactly why you chose the artifact. Then write focused reflections of 200-300 words that link practice to 1 to 3 rubric items and include student impact. Once done, standardize file formats: PDF for documents, MP4 for video, compress under 50 MB, JPEG for images, so uploads are smooth. Make sure you finish by doing a strict checklist. Confirm file names, reflections match rubric items, and files meet size limits. Once satisfied, export the portfolio as a single PDF or a zipped folder and upload to the designated portal. Also save 2 backups in different locations. If the portal rejects your submission, first compress large files and retry. If that fails, rename files to remove special characters or submit via the alternate email or upload link. That troubleshooting step rescues most last-minute issues and secures your submission.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.